In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com. Linking columns is a great way to connect information across different boards, so you can keep your data consistent and avoid doing the same work twice. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to connect boards together and mirror specific columns, so changes in one place automatically show up in another. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all your boards are listed. Take a moment to find the board where you want to link columns. When you see it, click on that board to open it. Make sure you're on the correct board, since this is where the new connected and mirrored columns will be created. Now, look at the very last column on your board, all the way to the right. You'll see a small plus icon there. Click that plus icon to add a new column. A drop-down will appear with some common column types, but for this setup, you'll need to access the full list. So from that drop-down, select the option that says More Columns. This will open a pop-up window showing many different column types you can add. In this list, look for the option called Connect Boards. This is the column that lets you link one board to another. When you find the Connect Boards option, click Add to Board on the right side of its card. This will place a new Connect Boards column on your current board. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which boards you want to connect. Click Select Boards and you'll see a list of your existing boards. Browse through that list and click on the board you want to connect to this one. If you want the connection to work in both directions, you can enable the setting called Set as Two-Way Connection. Turning this on means that items will be linked from both boards, not just from one side. Once you've chosen the board and configured that option, click Connect Boards to confirm. Right after that, click Create a Mirror Column. The mirror column is what actually displays information from the connected board on your current board. You'll now be asked which column from your connected board you want to mirror. This could be something like status, dates, owners, or numbers. Select the column you want, then adjust any additional settings that appear, depending on the type of column you chose. When you're done, your boards and columns will be linked, and updates on the connected board will be reflected through your new mirror column.